It's sad that we lost the match with 6-1 because I think that the score is not a good report of the match. But on the other hand, we are very inexperienced, and today we had a good lesson. And I hope that we will do our advantage with this lesson for the next coming matches, because then we have to be there again. So Pakistan was much better than us today.
I think first half they were well organized in the defense, and the second half especially you see the flair of hockey, little flair of hockey of Pakistan for the last I think for 20 minutes which we played. I think it was remarkable. And I think our forward line is moved much better. They moved the ball pretty well.